Am I responsible for debts that my spouse incurred during the marriage? Sometimes yes. Here's the deal. If you and your spouse incur some kind of debts, like maybe a credit card or a charge card at a department store, or rent, or past due utilities, all of those during marriage are both of your responsibilities. And so yes, you would be responsible unless you have a prenuptial agreement that says some things are going to be your responsibility, some things are going to be their responsibility. Then if you've got the prenuptial agreement, you can have things divided out so that it's their responsibility and your responsibility. The other big exception to this is student loans. Unless you have co-signed them, student loans are the responsibility of the student, because the thinking is, well, the education and the improvement to their career goes with the student, therefore they should have to incur the debt. Oftentimes what happens is this. She wants to go to school to become, let's say, a hairdresser, and you co-sign the student loans for $40,000 for her to get her hairdressing school degree. Normally, she would be responsible for that, but because you've co-signed that loan, you're now responsible also. Which means that when she gets out of the world, is divorcing you, and is off being a hairdresser, and doesn't want to pay her student loans, they're going to come after you. So think about if you really want to be co-signing that student loan or not, because otherwise, it's their responsibility, not yours. That's the way in which most debt is handled in divorces. There's a couple other exceptions, but in general, what we're looking at is if the debt's incurred during marriage, both of you are responsible unless it's a student loan, in which case it's their responsibility. And if you want to learn how we handle that stuff in family law, you should come join us at Dad's Law School, where we teach dads how to represent themselves in family court. We do that through our VIP program, which has video courses on child custody, child support, how to gather evidence, how to use evidence, how to put her in contempt, and how to object to evidence. All of that's in our VIP program, and if you go to dadslawschool.com, there's a big red button in the upper right-hand corner, and come join us. And remember, I think you're fucking awesome.